Hello and welcome to Mountain Aromatics. Today I have another material from the Creating Perfume Beginner's Kit. It is Lemon and Tangerine Blend 5-fold. So 5-fold is going to mean it's been through the purification process 5 times, and it makes it where it's a little bit more suitable for cosmetics. And although it's still going to have a little bit of the like when you put it on your skin, so the phototoxic effects, some of that will still be there, so you want to be careful with that, putting it on and then going in the sun. So at any rate, this is a natural. It is, I'm going to assume, just lemon and tangerine essential oils. Very fresh, very bright, sunny, super clean. First off, it's, just a watery consistency that you would think of with a citrus essential oil. Although, because of the 5-fold, it is not near as dark from the tangerine, but super bright, super fresh, really, really nice. Obviously, this is going to be a top note. It will probably last between an hour and 3 hours in your formula as a top note. That's just what the citruses do of essential oils. That's just pretty, almost kind of standard with the citrus essential oils. A really bright, fresh top note. This is, I think, a little bit straightforward, because it's just a blend of the lemon and the tangerine, and it is, to me, I think, almost down the middle, but I'm gonna say a tiny bit more lemon comes through. Same thing here, just a tiny bit more lemon. Yeah, just a little bit more of the lemon comes through here instead of it being an exact 50-50. But you can get the tangerine. My mouth is watering. It's really bright, fresh, super clean. It's really nice. It reminds me a little bit of Candy Lifesavers, because a lot of times, like the lemon and the lime, that kind of stuff of the essential oils, is very sweet. It may sound strange, but that's what it reminds me of. It smells a little sweet here. So my mouth is watering a little bit. Very beautiful, very clean. Again, it's a top note, pretty straightforward. So again, it's a natural, and that is, I mean, it just, I feel like it would just be, I feel like you already probably know how to use this and what to put it with. Like, great with the woods, other citruses. You could use this with the florals. If you're, a lot of times you do fruit and florals together. This could work there. Let's see. Yeah, that kind of thing. To me, it's pretty straightforward with this. So, anyway, if you have any questions or anything, put it in the comments section below. If you like this, give me a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. And I will put a link to this in the show notes below, and I will see you on the next Mountain Aromatics. Have a good day.